Hi hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this episode, we are showing you guys a community tank of live beaters. As you can see, the mollies, uh, our zebra danios, our short tail Dalmatian molly out there, and some of tetras, red eye tetra, uh, zebra danios. These all plants are native to our stream, our place, and we have some DIY driftwoods. The main motive of this video today is we are going to introduce more mollies, swattel, and some of the rosy bulbs. Okay, we will acclimate them and we will update the well-being of these live beaters. So we'll be acclimating our fish in this transparent container for say 15 minutes. So first we'll put them here as they have been in this packet for more than 4 hours. First I'm going to put these rosy bulbs as I love them very much. I love the bulbs. They have been in this packet for say more than 4 hours, but needless to worry as they were provided with medical oxygen. And now we'll put some water. Now we'll be put I will put these mollies and swattel. Now we'll keep them for 15 minutes, say, then we'll leave them in this pond. Right. On so it's more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes, say. So we're going to introduce them in our pond. Let's see. First, I want to introduce the rosy bulb. I want to show you guys the short tail. Where is the short tail? The short tail is already, I think, gone there. No, it's here. I literally like the color of this short tail. Now the last one. Come. It's the last one. So we have finished acclimating and putting them. So we'll update you over this, and we'll add some more guppies, neon tetras in coming weeks. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.